A gurgling kitchen sink can be caused by several issues, including a blocked drain pipe, which disrupts the smooth flow of water and produces a gurgling sound as water pushes down the clog, and air below it tries to escape. This problem can be resolved by using a drain snake or a plunger to unblock the pipe. Poor sink installation is another possible cause, where a plumber may have neglected critical aspects of plumbing, such as the position of the P-trap or pipe routing, resulting in a gurgling sound. In this case, it is necessary to hire a professional plumber to redo the plumbing. Additionally, a clogged sewer line can release sewer gases, creating a vacuum effect in the pipes, which can also cause a gurgling sound. To fix this issue, it is essential to address the sewer line as soon as possible and repair it. By identifying and addressing these potential causes, you can resolve the problem of a gurgling kitchen sink.